Welcome, cinephiles, to the shadowy underbelly of Hollywood glamour, a world where the bright lights of the silver screen often cast long, legal shadows. Prepare yourselves, because today we're diving headfirst into the outrageous, unbelievable, and often hilarious legal battles that have shaped the cinematic landscape as we know it. Get ready, because when you hear some of these lawyers' defenses, you'll spit out your coffee. We begin our journey with a tale of intellectual property, a battle so epic it involved a certain iconic ape. Yes, you heard that right, the ape. The legal wrangling surrounding the Planet of the Apes franchise is a masterclass in convoluted copyright claims and counterclaims. The original 1968 film spawned sequels, remakes, and even a television series, all generating millions, but the legal battles surrounding the rights to the simian stars were as chaotic as a chimpanzee tea party. Decades of lawsuits, appeals, and court decisions left a trail of legal precedents that are still studied today, a testament to the enduring legacy of hairy legal battles. I wonder what planet the judge was on when they delivered that verdict on the original copyright. Next, we turn our attention to the often explosive world of contract disputes. Hollywood contracts are notoriously complex, filled with clauses and stipulations that would make your head spin. The stories of actors suing studios for unpaid royalties, directors battling over creative control, and writers fighting for proper credit are as common as red carpets at premieres. One particularly juicy case involved a director claiming that the studio had significantly altered his vision for the film, ultimately leading to a lengthy and costly legal showdown. The ensuing courtroom drama revealed a behind-the-scenes clash of egos and creative differences, with both sides presenting compelling evidence. The judge's final ruling was, shall we say, unexpected, a true testament to the unpredictability of Hollywood justice. But the legal battles aren't confined to the creative side of filmmaking. The business side of Hollywood is a minefield of potential lawsuits, with disputes over distribution rights, merchandising deals, and even the ownership of film sets. One infamous case involved a bitter feud between two production companies over the rights to a hugely successful film franchise. The ensuing legal battle was a spectacle of corporate espionage, accusations of fraud, and enough backstabbing to make a Shakespearean tragedy blush. The sheer volume of documents, witnesses, and expert testimony made the case a marathon of legal maneuvering, eventually resulting in a settlement that left both parties bruised, but not entirely broken. The whole thing was so convoluted, it made my head hurt. And then, of course, there are the defamation lawsuits. In a world obsessed with image and reputation, the potential for legal action over negative portrayals, leaked secrets, and unflattering biographies is ever present. Many actors and directors have found themselves embroiled in lengthy and expensive legal battles over their public image, with some cases resulting in substantial financial settlements. One notable case involved a celebrity who sued a tabloid for publishing a false story about their personal life. The ensuing trial was a media frenzy, with both sides employing aggressive legal tactics. In the end, the judge ruled in favor of the celebrity, highlighting the importance of protecting one's reputation in the public eye, even in a world where everyone's reputation is fair game. Beyond individual disputes, we can't ignore the impact of class action lawsuits on the film industry. These lawsuits, which often involve large groups of individuals claiming to have been harmed by a particular practice, have had a significant impact on how Hollywood operates. Cases involving unpaid wages, unfair working conditions, and even sexual harassment have forced the industry to confront some of its darker aspects. These collective actions often result in significant changes to employment practices and industry standards, reminding us that even the glitziest industry has its share of unsavory realities. It's a reminder that behind the glitz and glamour, there's a whole lot of legal wrangling going on. But the legal battles aren't always about huge sums of money or A-list celebrities. Sometimes, the most fascinating cases involve seemingly minor disputes that escalate into epic legal showdowns. One such case involved a copyright infringement dispute over a seemingly insignificant prop used in a low-budget horror film. The ensuing legal battle was surprisingly protracted and expensive, revealing the sometimes absurd lengths to which people will go to protect their intellectual property. The final outcome was as unpredictable as it was hilarious, a testament to the unpredictable nature of the legal system. You wouldn't believe the arguments these lawyers came up with. And let's not forget the impact of changing technology on the legal landscape of Hollywood. The rise of streaming services, digital distribution, and online piracy has created a whole new set of legal challenges. The fight over streaming rights, the battle against illegal downloads, and the complexities of international copyright law have all contributed to a new era of legal warfare in the entertainment industry. These ongoing battles are shaping the future of Hollywood, and the outcomes will undoubtedly have a profound impact on how we consume movies and television in the years to come. It's a legal battleground as dynamic as the technology itself. These are just a few examples of the myriad legal battles that have shaped Hollywood's history. From epic copyright disputes to messy contract negotiations, from defamation cases to class action lawsuits, the legal system has played a significant role in defining the industry's trajectory. The stories of these legal battles are often stranger than fiction, highlighting the absurd, unexpected, and sometimes downright hilarious realities of life behind the silver screen. So the next time you settle in to watch your favorite movie, remember that the path to the screen was often paved with legal battles, lawsuits, and more than a few unexpected twists and turns. The world of Hollywood's legal battles is a fascinating, often absurd, and always entertaining glimpse into the underbelly of the entertainment industry. It's a world where reality often surpasses fiction, where the stakes are high, and where the outcomes are rarely predictable. The stories we've explored today only scratch the surface of this complex and compelling world. So keep your eyes peeled, because you never know what kind of legal drama Hollywood might throw our way next. The show, it seems, is never truly over. And who knows? Maybe the next big legal battle will inspire the next blockbuster film. After all, sometimes reality truly is stranger than fiction, and Hollywood's legal battles are a prime example of that. The drama, the intrigue, the sheer unbelievable nature of some of these cases, it's a goldmine of storytelling, and we've only just begun to explore the tip of the iceberg. So stay tuned, because there's much more to come in the wild, wild world of Hollywood's hidden legal battles. We've only just begun to scratch the surface of the incredible legal battles that have shaped the cinematic landscape. There's a whole universe of court cases, settlements, and appeals just waiting to be discovered. Until next time, stay tuned for more behind-the-scenes stories of Hollywood's most dramatic legal clashes. It's a world of unexpected twists, turns, and outcomes that will leave you wondering, did that really happen? The answer, my friends, is a resounding yes, and it's a story that's far from over. The curtain may close on one legal battle, but another is always waiting in the wings. That's the nature of Hollywood, after all. Always a show, always a spectacle, always something unexpected around the corner. So keep watching, keep listening, and keep your popcorn handy, because the legal battles of Hollywood are far from over. And we'll be here to bring you the latest developments. Until next time, keep watching this space. You never know what kind of legal drama might unfold next.